Chill. Hey yo, JJ, this one's real, no play. Pain, struggle, heartache. I've been thugging so long, I told the Lord, wait. I could've died at my yard's gate, and the nigga was hungry while y'all ate. But I believed in myself, that's my faith. So if a nigga ever fool around with my plate, like a skinny nigga ain't supposed to gain weight. I think y'all listening wrong. I got the best flow ever. Do y'all listen to my songs? And that's what I call streets. Sometimes I close my eyes and I rap to my heartbeat. Yeah, I hear it. So I'm rapping till my heart stop beating. And plus I got my mind on my money, I mean it. And plus I got my family, and damn I gotta feed them. Got a lot of fucking soldiers and you know that I need them. The homie Sean P and the crazy European. Blood drop behind the scenes so you ain't gotta see him. Cause when it's time to see him, trust me, you don't wanna see him. And I know I ain't God, but I think I'm trying to be him. The devil's in my soul and I think I wanna free him. A lot of niggas hating and I don't know why. Cause I don't hate nothing except hate, so fuck hating. And I'm the best rapper, and remember I'm Jamaican. Yeah, I'm Jamaican, so I ain't supposed to rap. You see down here, there's laws against that. But that's a bunch of crap, so I'm breaking the law. You don't wanna hear me rap, nigga, try and break my jaw. I know I got flaws, but everybody do. I talk about my life, and everything's true. If you ain't about the dollars, then I'm nothing like you. See me, I'm about the money. Or you can say I'm trying, you can say a lot of things, but you can't say I'm lying. My music be crying, but I don't shed a tear. But why cry when my flow is so terrific? And I'm so high, and to me you like a midget. I skip math class, but I know about my digits. Mama told me get a job and to make sure that it's legit. But would that make it proud? Shit, I don't really know. They ain't got bitches up in heaven, so I don't wanna go. I wanna stay right here till a nigga got grand white hair, and I'm in a rocking chair right here. I swear ain't no nigga out here right fair. Got other niggas jealous of the gear I wear. I earn, I share, but that's just me. I mean just I. You wanna be rich, at least just try. Cause nobody wants to be the pizza guy. Don't want the whole bakery, fuck a piece of the pie. My throat getting dry, but I don't want water. I want something just a little weed more stronger. My flowing so long, can't flow no longer. Flow getting better, it been ill so long. Only did 3 years, but that's still too long. Who said 2 wrongs don't make it right? Cause I did 2 wrongs and it won me a flight back to Jamaica in my Air Force Nikes. Now tell me who these other niggas wanna be like Jay, Kanye, and me, I guess. You wanna live my life, nigga, be my guest. You don't know my stress, it's up to my neck. Will I win or lose, man, it's up to a check. Better up my respect before the song is over. I'm a flashy motherfucker, need more than a Range Rover. Fuck it, the game's over, what? You ain't hear the whistles, it's a war going on, what? You don't hear the missiles and my dad gone, no saying to Richie down here with you. I sat down there, man, under the ground. My throat getting dry again, harder another round. Cause the energy is done, some niggas don't come around. But I can see the real, and I can see the fake, and I can tell a rat, and I can see the snake. It's a new rapper in town, y'all can take a break. Yeah, it's my turn. It's my turn.